Do you know this year we have got thousands of computer science and ICT graduates from universities and colleges here in Kenya, and all those guys have been waiting for 4 good years to graduate so that they can start their career. The reason I'm saying this one is because I want to start with the first years right now who are heading to second year. And the reason is that because I want to show you something that you can start. You don't need to wait until you get 4th year so that you can start your career. Also, it is not too late for those who have graduated, because ukitoka hapa nje, my friend, wacha kwanza uzunguke drop some letters ndio upate hakuna kazi. At least you will realize kuna zile resources zenye kwa available ndo zinafaa kuanza kufanya kazi. So here I have a simple template for student ID. So you can generate a student ID template. You can also generate something we call employees IDs, things like that. So I'm just giving an example. The reason is because I like to show simple kind of tasks that you can do, or maybe to small projects that you can do and make money out of it. Uanze kutengeneza tu pesa pole pole. This one does not need you to know much about programming. This one does not need you to know much about that mathematics in computer science and so forth. It's just a simple unit which is covered by, actually it's a common unit, computer application. It's a common unit which is done by all the students in a school. And in this case, think of when you sit down, create several templates for these IDs. You can come up with different design, or you can go to the internet, and in this case you look for what students templates, ID template, ID card template, something like that design. If you come here, just think of the ones that you can see here, create around 10 to 15. This time round, holiday, you have enough time to do that. Alafu, let's check. Right now, najua form ones watakuwa wengi, and also we have got grade 6 who are heading to nini. So approximately the number I've had is about student admission. I want to show you the admission admission letter. Let's say the number I've had is around. Want to show you a sample of admission letter. So the number is around 2 million students. So in this case, let me pick an example of this letter. It's something that I saw it before. You can see the link, it was opened. If I open this one, I can download the letter, and I want to show you how much in most institutions they normally charge for a student ID. Even you can check yourself. So I'm just scrolling, or maybe I can enable editing direct here, then scroll right away up to somewhere where I can be able to see some of the resource requirements. So I was interested with the student ID. You can see how much an institution charge. They charge around 500 for the student ID. So if they charge 500 for student ID, najua unaniambia hiyo pesa inaendanga sijui kwa principal, sijui kwa committee, BOG and all that. But I want you to get something out of it. There is no problem. Let whatever they get, they get. Alafu, now you'll be there to bargain still so that you can get chance. I told you we have got 2 million maybe students from grade 6 and class 8. And in that case, if you can secure your own number there and provide few schools with this school ID, at least you can make money out of it. So my assumption is that now you have got the templates, 5 templates. How do you create the templates? You just need a laptop, and in most cases nowadays, for the students who are joining computer science and ICT related courses, you need to have a laptop. So I assume you have a laptop. You are going to use your own laptop. Stima ni ile ya wazazi hapo nyumbani. Then also it's just time. Resources, tule tu bundles unatumianga ukichat WhatsApp ndio utakuwa unatumia still to kind of look for resources that you can use for ABCD. To check the like templates and all that you can design. So the other thing, the skill ni ile ulisoma pale nini first year, so you don't need to do it, wait until for the end uanze kujua okay, mail merge kumbe inaweza fanya kazi, kumbe publisher inaweza kutengeneza tu pesa. No, kuna wase utawapata pale cyber wana run wanapata almost over 50,000 in a month, wanajilipa hiyo pesa, alafu wewe unangojea sasa uanze kutafuta mshahara yenye utaanza. And let me be frank to you, if you can manage kuanza na mshahara ya 15,000 you are lucky actually. Mimi personally nilianzanga na 7k, huko ndio tulikuwa tunaanzia kufunza tu packages by the way, and you have nothing to offer to be honest. In most cases ukienda to some institution utakuwa hujapate like, hata ukiwa kwa reception huwezi address a customer akikuja hapo, because customers wanakuanga na moods fulani, and you know businesses they normally treat customer is always right. That's what we believe in business. Alafu it's very hard for you to get. No, let's get back to this one. So if you have templates, like 5 of them or 10 of them, then you take to the principal. When you want a principal, now I have templates. Alafu you have your academic data like this one. I want to show you how it works. You just need an Excel file like this one. Then you come here, you enter dummy admission numbers, the names of the students. Like we can see Kipanga Kikunze is here. Lazima akuwe represented international. Kiwanga Kikunze jina yake iwezi enda hivi hivi. So we have got the folder yenye iko na all the pictures. For the pictures you have a smartphone. Student wa siku hizi mko na smartphone poa kuliko hata professor. So in this case iko na kamera mzuri, iko na pixels poa and all those kind of stuff. So you go out there, you take the photos. Personally ukizieka admission number unazirename na admission number for all the students. Wenye wanakuja tu, mzazi akikuja admission picha ta unaweka na umeketi na laptop kako pale. So unawaambia the following day unawaletea ID zikiwa fiti. So you have an Excel pia na una capture data yako, the names, the class, nini and all those kind of details. So once you have these, and we are thinking of having around 5 schools in this case. Zile zinakujua hapo mtaa, zenye ziko hapo kwa ni location ama ni village, you are surrounded by few institutions there, which are either secondary school, something like that. So when you get there, ama if not so, buda ni wa BOG ama buda ni mwalimu, ama you see, that's how business ni kujuana. So in this case kuja tupige hesabu ya shule 5, each school will admit at least minimum of 50 students times 5 schools. So we have got 250 students times, sababu ya pesa inakuanga tamu sana, pesa sabuni ya roho. So let's go. So we have got 50, tumesema pale wanalipa 500, so it's around 125. Hii wacha nikwambie, hii tunafanyia mwaka mzima. This is a wage bill ya mtu mwenye ameajiriwa, monthly analipwa mshahara. So month end akimake this one in a year, anasikia amefanya kitu ya maana sana. Sijui zile ndoto mnaota za kutoka hapa nje ati ulipo 15,000 ama 20 ama 50, ni mnaota sana. Kenya, very few jobs they can pay that. I've been in the industry and I can tell you, side hustle ndo zinafanyia watu pesa, wanatapata pesa venye unaona wakiendesha hizo V8 and all those kind of gari mzito. Si mshahara inafanya hiyo, ina service hiyo gari, inaweka mafuta and all that. Side hustle ndo zina make watu wana survive kwa hii industry, especially in Kenya in terms of job environment and all those kind of stuff. Utapata all the other fields ni almost the same. Usidanganywe na mtu mshahara ati iko job hainanga mshahara. So now you can see you have got 125. This 125 it's from 5 institutions. So at least if we talk about one institution, tujue shule moja inatupea ngapi. So 50 times 500. So tunajua tuko na 25k. Principal anakuambia hii 25k, piga hesabu yako ujue venye utanijenga hata mimi. Mwekea gari yake mafuta. So now you have got the templates, and to have the templates, hii data yote itakuwa umecapture ama unaweza endea kwa secretary and all that. Once you get the data, photos utaweza chukua tu na ile simu yako. The only thing that you don't have ni ka printer, but if you can afford kuongelesha buda poa, you get a printer, well and good. If you cannot manage, think of kufika pale River Road, afadhali uchome hiyo fare, lakini uende River Road upate deal poa. Ukicheza utachezwa, but ni kawaida ya biz, lazima uingie tu kwa feud uoge nayo. So ukifika pale, maybe they will charge you we have got 50 we have to divide by, because ni 50 students, and these 50 students we are supposed to divide by how many pages per page. Per page you can print, if it's an A4 easy ID, the size of the ID, the one that we have here, template iko wapi hii sasa, the size of this template aka ni kama ka business card, so you can print almost 10 in that kanini. I'm just assuming like that way, so 10, or maybe you can put 8, but let's put 10 at least, hata ikipita haitapita sana. So we say 50 we divide by 10, I think we get 10 pages. These 10 pages, a colored page haiwezi printiwa na more than shilingi 30 ama 50 bob, so you multiply by 50 bob, umelipa wewe msee poa sana. So hiyo ni 250 na uko na 25k ujue kamera ulitumia simu yako. The other thing what ile ingine maybe utatoa fare. Sasa hiyo ingine itakuwa pesa ya laminate. Cheza kama wewe, ongea na wewe, ama unaweza enda hizo papers na ununua ka laminator. Laminator I think ni 1500 something like that, ama ni 15 ama ni 5000, I can't remember. There was a time I used to work in a cyber, so you can do that. Or maybe kama ulikuwa unataka kuprint the others, we have got the other kind of ID which is a plastic. Unaweza tafutana na ka printer Epson kama unaweza manage, ukiongelesha buda poa, ama ukifanya savings zako pale za help and all that, at least you buy one, alafu unaanza kugenerate hizi vitu, so you make money out of it. So kwa hii 25, wacha nikwambie, you cannot use like 10,000. So kwa 10,000 principal naye akitaka kucheza na around 5, bas na maisha inasonga mbele and you are good to go. So how do you generate this one? So you have your template. So uko na holiday poa ya kutafuta venye unaweza design one. Once umedesign, enda uchukue picha. Kuchukua picha, make sure data yako iko fiti hapa together with the admission number. Hapa nimeweka path yenye unapata hizo picha, then hiyo path unakuja hapa unatumia concatenation ndio match the admission number and the photos, because here I have got my admission numbers zenye ziko stored with the, that is the photos stored with the named with the admission numbers for each specific student. Siulize hawa wanafunzi ni wapi. Sometimes I got dummy from, there is a random user you can get dummy. For that matter, usitumie picha ya mtu uanze kuuziwa uoga kidogo. So in this case, we have got now our data which is on Excel sheet, and we have got templates which you can put them in different pages. So if I open this template right now, like this one, I'll use the simple feature yenye ulisoma pale first year computer application unit. Click there for data source, so that you can say this data is being found on a folder called ID, and inside ID on this Excel sheet like that, and on sheet 1 hapo ndio kuna data yangu, then I continue and do that. So hii inafaa kuwa ni this one, the ID you just generate in form of a barcode. Barcodes unakuja tu hapa hivi. Hii font ya barcode unaweza enda kwa mneti, you can get different types of unaweza pata, let me reduce the font like that, let me put it like that, or maybe I can use the number kuna font ingine hapa, it's not only this one, have another, this one can put it like that, ndio niifanye ikuwe kubwa kidogo hivyo. You can put it like that if you feel like. So where do you get these fonts? Easy fonts unazipatanga online, they are free. You just need to look for barcode font. So you just download the font, unatafuta hizo mafonts hapa, alafu hizo font ukidownload, once you download the font unakujanga tu kuipaste hapa ukikuja hapa kwa control panel, utaona fonts. So you can search fonts like this. So ukiopen hii folder ya fonts, you'll be able to see all your fonts here. Hizi ndo zile fonts zote zenye tunatumianga. So ukipaste tu hapo hiyo font utaweza kuiona. Zingine unaweza install direct. So as you can see right now, I have generated this one, and nikitaka kugenerate zile za wale wanafunzi wengine, I'll just click mailings, click here, merge to a new publication, alafu ita generate kitu kama hii sasa. Yeah, you can see mali safi. Pesa hivyo ndo unatafuta, alafu una click hapa, unaisave kama PDF. Ndio ukisave kama PDF unapata, ukienda pale unaprintiwa per page na unacheza kama wewe, ndio huyo msee akuelewe. Kikwambia rangi imepanda, namwambia hata sorry, that one it's not supposed to that. Nilikuwa nataka kuonyesha how to save as a PDF. PDF unakujanga tu hapa. Hizi the latest ni zina save kama PDF. So I can call it IDs. IDs.pdf I save like that. Ita generate PDF document and you will be good to go. So pesa inaingia, hii unaweka kwa per page, ina generate 10 and you are good to go. So ukikuja upige hesabu ya at most if a cost for this one itaenda 100. Na kama watu umepewa na 300, my friend, bado uko kwa busy. So it's a matter of just engaging those people. Fika pale, ongelesha principal wako poa, fiti tu in an official way. And I can tell you, huwezi kosa job. It's a matter of just trying. Yeah. Sometimes unatafutanga tu njia tu fulani hivi kidogo kidogo. Huwezi zunguka 20 schools alafu ukose tu moja yenye inaweza kupea that chance. So don't wait until you finalize on 4th year ndio uanze, na kama umemaliza 4th year it is not too late to start. So I normally keep on sharing this stuff because sometimes unasikianga mtu anakwambia hey, na by the way hiyo idea ni idea lakini no apply. So there was another one which I shared was about how you can create a simple school SMS system. Ase wobo anasema kuna msee fulani aliniambia hiyo biashara inanga nini, but I can tell you it's how you market your business. Yeah. People sell even vitu zingine uamini. You can imagine kwa internet kuna msee anauza all sorts of those kind of stuff. Unaangalia ingine unaona yenyewe this is not a business. Hapa tu hii ni wana tu, but they make money out of it. So you can imagine hiyo effort ungekuwa unaweka kwa biashara yenye ni real. Chana na mambo ya kushinda sijui kusema public likes, unaweza lipwa juu ya kusoma emails, unaweza lipwa juu ya kuwatch videos za sijui nini. If the only that business can work on YouTube, something like that. But hizo stuff zingine unashinda ukiambiwa oh, register with this one, utachanuliwa my friend. So that is it. I hope you have learned something. Just simple tools that you need. Ka laptop kako na already kako na hiyo office cracked yenye utatumia publisher, create templates design. Kama ujui utaanza na gani, ingia kwa internet, tengeneza zenye unaona kwa internet. From there approach an institution, tembea tu kwa Google, it's healthy, inakusaidia mwili yako. Usishinde ukisema nini na nini. If you win from one school, 2 schools, 3 schools, something like that, you are good to go. Watakwambia pia watengenezee letterheads, vitu mob, and you'll be making money out of it. Ukifika River Road, usilalie masikio, tembea, juana na watu, jua ni wapi printing papers upatikana, jua ni wapi nini upatikana, all those institutions whatever they provide. Taenda pale ujipate wewe ndio biggest supplier of printing papers of what na unakula bob moja ama, and that is the kind of business in watu wanafanya and they get money out of it. So that is it. Thank you guys. If you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Unangojea kwenda kwa channel nyingine gani? It's only on Codestar Technologies where we talk about those stuff. Thank you guys, and I do appreciate for your continued support. Kama ujacheck video, not video but a new course yenye iko under on our platform hapa Codestar Technologies, you need to register to learn more about Daraja API. It is something that I've realized most of the people they like using, and I did a comprehensive video, and you will be able to access the resources. When I mean the resources, I mean the code, na nakueleza details. This is what you need to change, this is how you put, this is how you go live, this is how you need to deploy. Yeah, so for both C2B, customer to business API, ambapo tuna STK push and register URL, na business to customer zile unapata you can withdraw like money from the betting sites and so forth. You can do bulky payments and all that. So still I cover those two types of APIs. Unazielewa vizuri and you'll be good to go. So thank you guys and see you on the next